Happy Chinese New Year! Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make prosperity minced meat egg tofu, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Egg tofu, chopped garlic, chili padi, chicken breast meat, chopped chicken breast into minced meat, one tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix well and set aside. Chopped chili padi. Sliced egg tofu. Fry egg tofu until both sides golden brown. Stir-fry minced meat with chopped garlic. One teaspoon dark soy sauce to add color. Add mixed beans. Add half glass water. Simmer for 1 minute. Add cornstarch water to thicken the sauce. Place minced meat on plate. Place egg tofu on minced meat. Pour in remaining sauce. Optional to sprinkle chopped chili. Delicious prosperity minced meat egg tofu is done. Tofu is symbolized to Tofu, which means everyone, is blessed and healthy. In addition, the homophone of tofu is all rich, which means that everyone will become rich and expresses the hope that everyone will live a prosperous life in the new year. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. 2020, 18%. Soybeans and soy products like tofu are rich in isoflavones. These flavonoids plant-based chemicals help lower your blood pressure and offer other heart protective benefits. A 2020 study found that people who ate a serving of tofu each week had an 18% lower risk of heart disease than those who did. There are more delicious CNY recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.